Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the retinal disease detection using machine learning. So let's open the project folder. This will be the project folder and those are input images. Let's open one by one. Those images working as a button, browse image, predict using Resnet, predict using VGG19, about us, exit, and this will be the informational page. Like Retinify is a machine learning based project designed using Tkinter module of Python and developed using Python programming language. VGG19 and Resnet is the algorithm that is used to train the model, and aim of the tool is to determine disease in the retina from given image. If disease is found, classifies that class of disease, and user gets two options in the interface for choosing algorithm to use. User can either choose VGG19 for prediction or Resnet. Both the algorithm gives 90% plus accuracy. Okay, this will be the home page. So let's close that. Let's go back. Now those are input images. Let's go back. This will be the model folder that contain the ResNet and VGG19.h5 model. Let's go back. Now open the training folder. This will be the dataset link. If you copy that particular link and paste in any browser, so it will open the Kaggle website where you can see the particular dataset. So there are different classes: normal, diabetes, glaucoma, cataract, age-related macular degeneration, hypertension, pathological myopia, and other diseases. And this will be the CSV file of dataset. If we download that particular dataset, it will be around 2 GB. Let's close that. Now this will be the training code of Resnet and VGG19. Let's open one by one. So this will be the training code of Resnet for detection of retinal disease. In the starting lines, we are importing the libraries required like NumPy, Pandas, OS, Globe, Matplotlib, Seaborn, sklearn, TQDM, OpenCV, IPython, Keras. Okay, those are libraries which we have to import. Then load tabular data, training images, train the model, validation results. So that models save in the models folder and it will be saved as a resnet.h5. Okay, let's go back and open the VG19 code. In the starting line, we are importing the libraries. Then we will read the CSV file. Then extracting cataract and normal information from dataset, normal images, creating dataset for images. Let's see some images. Dividing dataset into X feature and Y target. Creating model. Then model will save model.h5. It will show the accuracy and loss, learning curve, prediction. Now it will predict that is normal or cataract. Let's close that. Go back. And this will be the requirement file. Those are the library and their version. And we have to use TensorFlow 2.14.0. Okay. And TensorFlow Intel 2.14.0. Let's save this and close. Now this will be the main file which we are using for the user interface. In the starting line, we are importing the libraries. Then we will create the home window and we are importing that particular image home.jpg from images folder. This will be the image home.jpg. We will create the geometry 890 into 640. Okay. And we are defining the function exit function that I sure you want to exit and warning icon. Now we are browsing that particular image PNG, JPG and JPEG. Then we will predict through ResNet model, predict one more for the VGG19, and this will be the about function where it will show the about.jpg image from images folder. Let's see, this will be the about.jpg image. and we are giving the geometry 896 into 640, and we are importing the all the images 1, 2, 3, and 4.jpg image. Okay, so let's close the code. Let's go back. Now those are 1 to 5 images which we are importing. Let's go back. Now open terminal here and then write python space main.py, then enter. Then it will open the home page where you have to browse that particular image from input images. Select this image, then click on predict using Resnet. Then it will give the output. Prediction from cataract by Resnet, contract 99.35%. Okay, let's close this. Now click on predict using VGG19. Then it will show predict for cataract by VGG19, other 0.4%. Okay, let's close this. Now browse any other image. Select from input image. Then click on predict using Resnet. Now this will show prediction for cataract by using Resnet, contract 99.7%. Okay, then click on predict using VGG19. It will show prediction for cataract by VGG19, other 0.0%. Close that. Now let's select any other image from input images. Let's select this image and then click on predict using Resnet. So the prediction for cataract by Resnet, other 99.96%, and VGG19, prediction for cataract by VGG19, other 100%. Okay, let's close that. Now this will be the about us page. It will show the complete information about project, like which algorithm we are using, VGG19 and Resnet, and Python programming language used, and Tkinter used for developing the graphical user interface. Okay, let's close this. Now just click on the exit button, then click yes. Okay, this will be the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can also visit our website or you can contact. I will share the project list. Like I have already prepared project list in different domain like machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, web development, Android app development, game development. So if you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.